In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to replace a phone or TV screen and make it look realistic using a perspective matching technique. This is commonly used in product videos, app demos, and creative edits where you want to display custom content inside a device. Let's begin. First, place your main footage on the timeline. This is the clip that contains the phone or TV. Now import the video or image that you want to insert into the screen. You drag that new media onto the track above your main footage, resize and roughly position it so it covers the device screen area. Now select the inserted clip, go to the effects panel and search for corner pin. Drag the corner pin effect onto the inserted clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. You'll see 4 corner controls: upper left, upper right, lower left, lower right. Now carefully drag each corner point and match it exactly to the 4 corners of the phone or TV screen. Let's zoom into your program monitor for precision. Take your time adjusting each corner until the perspective matches perfectly. If the device is angled or slightly rotated, make sure your corner points follow that same angle so it blends naturally. Once aligned, play the clip to check realism. If the phone or TV moves during the shot, enable keyframes for the corner points and adjust them frame by frame to track the motion. To make it even more realistic, you can slightly reduce the opacity, adjust brightness, or add a very subtle blur to match the lighting and reflections of the screen. Small adjustments make a big difference. When done properly, the inserted video will look like it's actually playing inside the device. And that's it. You now know how to replace a phone or TV screen using corner pin in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.